A friend of mine, also named Hugo, invited me to explore part of the Douro region here in Portugal. He sent me all the viewpoints and spots to check out, and although we didn't really need one, my inner tracker nerd kicked in. I started mapping out a route based on everything he sent me, and the following video is the result of 2 days well spent. The region is becoming more and more popular with tourists, especially for road trips. One of the best known routes is the N222, which runs along the river and is often called one of the most scenic drives in the world. I've done part of the N222 and honestly, after this ride I can say there are even more interesting roads hidden in this region. The Douro is the world's oldest official wine region. It was recognized all the way back in 1756. It's also a UNESCO World Heritage Site, famous for its stepped vineyards carved into the hillsides, and famous for producing port wine, a sweet fortified wine aged in barrels. The vineyards grow on super steep slopes and most of the grapes are still picked by hand. When we arrived at Barca d'Alva, we had two options: continue on the paved road to the start of the N222 or take this off-road shortcut. We chose the off-road option and it turned out to be a really nice and easy section, always riding alongside these olive fields. And of course, we were treated to another great view of the Douro River along the way.